Hey, it's Perry, Runaway Homestead. Um, I was asked if I would post another song. This is one that I wrote, I don't know, maybe 15 years ago. Um, my kids call this song The Message, um, just because of its content. Having to use my phone, I can't find my camera. I don't know where Kim put it. But anyhow, this is the message. If it sounds okay coming over my phone, I'll get it posted to share with you all. So, here we go. She used to watch her little brother at the local t-ball game. She was always there, screaming out his name. Now she's in the trauma unit with needles in her veins, trying to bring her comfort, trying to ease the pain. She said, "Brother, I'm so scared. I didn't think I was impaired. I didn't mean to cross that yellow line. I only had 3 beers. Now look at me lying here. Brother, didn't mean to drink and drive." She was Mama's little princess, and she blossomed as she grew. They had a special friendship, like moms and daughters do. Now she's in the trauma unit, and her body's shutting down. She'll never get to wear Mama's wedding gown. She said, "Mama, I'm so scared. I didn't think I was impaired. I didn't mean to cross the yellow line. I only had 3 beers. Now look at me lying here. Mama, didn't mean to drink and drive." She was Daddy's little angel. Daddy bounced upon his knee. He loved to hold her close and sing her to sleep. Now she's in the trauma unit with Daddy by her bed. He listened as she whispered. Listen as she said, "Daddy, I'm so scared. I didn't think I was impaired. I didn't mean to cross that yellow line. I only had 3 beers. Now look at me lying here. Daddy didn't mean to drink and drive. No, Daddy didn't mean to drink and die." If you have young ones, grandchildren, children, teenagers, friends, share this. My daughter did it in high school and had an audience full of tears, and you can see why my kids call this song The Message. So there's another song to share with you. Thank you much for listening. I know it's not typical Homestead stuff, but it's part of our Homestead. So make a difference in somebody's life today. Thanks, guys.